guys, and welcome to the channel techtap. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 ISO file. As you guys know that Windows 11 is announced, but it is not officially released right now, but there is a leaked version of Windows 11 which you can download and install. So I'm going to show you how to download that leaked version. For that, open Chrome and go to this link. I will leave it in the description, and now click direct download. Go to download page and click here to download. As you can see, Windows 11 ISO file is now downloading, and that's all. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.